Saxon Phonics, Lesson 34. Repeat these words after me. Teeth, beat, keep. What sound do you hear in the middle position? Teeth, beat, keep. What sound do you hear in the middle of these words? And what letters are making that sound? Teeth, beat, keep. Right. It's the E-E, the t-eeth, b-eat, k-eep. E is the sound we hear in the middle position of these words. E-E are the letters making that sound. Each word has two E's. Digraph means two letters coming together to make one sound. E-E comes together to make one sound. T-eeth, b-eat, k-eep. What do we do when we code digraphs? Right, we underline them. And when we code our E-E, we're going to underline it and cross out the other E. We are showing that this E is a long vowel, so we put a line above it. That line that we put above our long E is called a macron. What should we do to b-eat to code the E-E? Right, we're going to underline it, cross out the other E, and put a macron above the other E. And we'll do the same thing with the word keep. Underline the digraph, cross out the other E, and put a macron on top of this E to show that it's a long sound. K-E-P. The reason we cross out this other E is because we do not sound the word out like this. K-E-E-P. Our key word for the double E is sh-eep. Here they show you how to code. Underline the digraph, code the long E with a macron, and cross out the other E. Sh-eep. Go ahead and get out your worksheet, and let's do 1 through 10. When you have your worksheet out, go ahead and continue the video. Number 1, B. 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 Number 2, T. 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 And we know E, D can also sound like a T sound, so we'll put both. Number 3, E. E. Right, E. And let's code this E. Is it a short E or a long E? Long. We put a macron above it. Number 4, A. 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 Is it a short A or a long A? Right, short. Number 5, R. 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 Number 6, H. 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 Number 7, F. 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 Number 8, Ah. Ah. O. Is it a long or short O? Right, a short O. Number 9, S. 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 Number 10, A. 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 Is it a long or short A? Long. It says its name. Look at number 11. Let's spell the word path. P-A-Th. P-A-Th. Path. Number 12. Spell the word rock. Rock. R. A. K. R-O-C-K. Number 13. E. E. Our new digraph that we learned, the double E. And let's practice coding this. Underline digraphs, cross out the second E, and put a macaron above this E. 14. Spell the word see. See. S. E. Number 15. B. I see a bee flying. Bee. B. E. Number 16. Green. Green. There's a blend in the beginning of this word. Gr. Gr. Right. G. R. Gr. E. N. Green. Let's look at 17 through 21. Draw a line from the word that says feet. F-E-T. Right. Feet. Let's look at 22 through 26. King. K-ing. King. Now go ahead and look back up at 17. F-R-E. What do we need to code? Right. R-T-H. F. Do you feel a vibration when you say f-re? F. No, you don't. So we will not put a line through it. What else do we need to code? Right. Our E-E. Thra-E. Number 18. Sleep. Sleep. What do we need to code? Right. Our E-E. Our digraph. We always underline digraphs. Number 19. Seed. Seed. Right. We code our E-E. Number 20. Deep. Deep. We code our EE, our digraph. Number 21. Feet. eat. We code our EE, our digraph. Number 21, black, black. Bl, ah. Is it a long or a short A? A short A. K. We underline our digraph, and we cross out our C. K-ing, king. K-e. Is it a short I or a long I? A short I. And don't forget to underline your digraph NG. Number 24, B. B-e. Is this a long or a short E? A long E. It says its name. B-e. We put a macaron above it. Number 25, off. Off. Aw. That's a short vowel with a breve above it. Do we pronounce this as off? No. Let's cross out that other F. Rested. Rested. R-eh. Is this a long or a short vowel? Short. Rested. Here is our suffix. If we take the word ed off, we have our root word rest, which means we need to box in our suffix ed. If you need more time, pause the video. Turn your paper over to the back. Number 1, Don fed the deer in the pen. Read this with me. Don fed the deer in the pen. Number 2, Don fed the dog, deer, cat. Fill one of those bubbles in. Number 3, Dan had his hand stamped. Read this with me. Dan had his hand stamped. Who had his hand stamped? Dan, Don, or Dad? Fill in the correct bubble. Let's look at our pictures. We have a street, street. Snake, snake. Broom, broom. Plant, plant. Go ahead and match those up with the correct blends. When you're finished, take a picture of the back of your paper and send it to your teacher.